Hi, it's Chris, Managing Director of Specialist Language Courses. I just want to talk a little bit about the online classrooms that we use. So we're a digital education specialist. We create online courses and content used by organisations around the world. And we also deliver live language training using online classrooms. Using an online classroom is something which probably wasn't possible a few years ago because broadband just wasn't developed enough, wasn't fast enough. But now, with the development A, of the internet infrastructure, and B, of web conferencing software, which is much better than it's ever been before, we're able to create a strong, live, creative dynamic within an online classroom, which really, really works. We've been working with a platform called Zooms, used by universities around the world to deliver lessons to remote campuses. And it has a fantastic set of features which we train our teachers to use in the best possible way to deliver lessons to our students. Online has a number of advantages. One of the best things about online is that you can bring a fantastic teacher to students wherever they happen to be. Now, we do quite a lot of technical English. We do exam preparation for medical professionals, for example. There are not that many exam preparation specialists in this particular field in the country, let alone around the corner from a hospital, for example. So using online means that we can bring a very strong teacher to our students wherever they happen to be. Online is also very flexible. Schedules, we're not confined by bricks and mortar. Schedules can be open, they can be moved around. Because we've got a bank of online teachers, if someone falls sick, we put someone in their place. Online is very engaging in the sense that the audio, the video, the presentational material is right there in front of you and you can engage with it directly. Also, the platform that we use allows people to work in small groups. So you can separate the online classroom into kind of mini online classrooms. They're called Breakout Rooms, for example. And the teacher can hop from one to the other, seeing what the students are doing in each of those spaces. So you can do pair work and group work. You can message each other. So if a student has a concern, they don't want to put their hand up and talk about it in front of the class, they can just send a message to the teacher picks it up and is able to deal with it. Other things they can do, they can work together brilliantly. So one of the great things about an online classroom, which is very difficult to do in a physical classroom, is to actually create documents together. So we have students who are online creating text documents, copying, pasting, chopping, deleting, proofing together. And this is a really powerful way of improving their writing skills, for example. So there's lots of things you can do in an online classroom, some of which are unique to the online classroom and some of which are used in bricks and mortar classrooms around the world. So we try and do our best to take the best from both worlds and create what is a very powerful learning environment for our students to be part of. And we found that the results we're getting from online classrooms, and we still do some physical classrooms, but the results we're getting from the online classrooms are just as good, if not better, than the ones we're getting from the classrooms where the teacher's physically in the space with the students. So with the advancement of broadband, with the development of the software, and with the development of the teaching methodology around online classroom, we found that we're getting some fantastic results, and we really encourage everyone that we are working with to really consider the online classroom as a forum for your students to learn and to make the maximum progress possible.